Hello everyone, in today's video we will show you how to make an inverter from home. I actually did this one here myself and I want to share the knowledge to others so they could also put their hands on something. I'm also a student and I use this to help myself to make few dollars from home while still going to school. But before we proceed, please kindly hit that subscribe button to stay tuned with the channel and to get more updates on things like this, because this inverter stuff, you will break the components part by part and how the assembly works. And after watching the video and you feel the video is commendable, please feel free to click on the share button and share to others, and also click the like button or even dislike if you don't like the video. The way the inverter is being built, any sane man, any sane person could easily do it. So the thing here is, you go to the market. I will give you, if you're interested on where to buy the board, just click on comment on the box below and I'll give you directions on where to buy the board. So you have to go to the market, buy a plain board. This board was actually plain, there was no component feed upon it. I was on that feed the whole component and soldered it. Buy the two plain boards. This is the oscillator board and this is the MOSFET board. So then this is the transformer. As you can see here, this is the chassis fan that helps in cooling the system. You don't need to be told this is a heat sink. This is what they call a heat sink for absorbing the heat from the MOSFETs. Here we have IRF MOSFETs here. So how this system works, the voltage, 12 volts, actually this is not the battery to use. This battery I only use for testing, but this is not the actual battery we use for powering an inverter. You have inverter batteries, deep cycle batteries. So when the battery voltage is being imputed, I'll test it for you after this video. When the battery voltage is being imputed to this, the 12 volts enters into the heat sink through the MOSFET board, then passes through the oscillator board. Now the oscillator board converts the oscillation. Then from here we go, the current moves down to the transformer. This is actually a 6 volts 220 volts transformer. So we are stepping up from 6 volts to 220 before we get our final output there. So now I would really like to be showing you guys how each components on this board works and the configurations and how each board works. But you know, it's going to be a very long video if I start showing all those in this video. So you guys should hang on with me and watch my next video coming up. I'll be describing all about the MOSFET board and the oscillator board and the configurations. So when you want to do your own, it's gonna be easy for you and it will be seamless and you make a very active inverter. But on this video I would really like to test this inverter for you using this small battery. Actually the battery is low, we are going to see that it's even low. Now this is the casing. Behind the casing we have described the parts, the functions of the LEDs here. Don't worry, you're going to get to know all this very soon. I promise you that. You're going to know the configuration of the board, you're going to know the schematics on the board and how everything works. I promise you, even if you never had a knowledge about inverter, after watching this video and my series of videos that's going to be coming up on how to make an inverter, I promise you should be able to build one confidently by yourself from home. So now it's actually time to test this inverter, so you know that what information I'm bringing to you here is purely legit. So let me quickly do the installation. Don't mind me, I'm not checking the polarity, but I actually understand which is positive and which is negative. So you get to know which is positive, the red is positive and the black is negative. Don't mind me, I'm switching polarity, but I don't know how to attract it here. I'm using it for installation for someone. This is just one for testing the inverter. So from here, this is my positive and this is my negative. So but before I put the terminals to the battery, I would like to put in the casing so you see the lights and everything buzzing. So this is the casing and all these are the sensor lights. Each of them have different indications. Let me quickly plug it in. Let us put it in. You have to align some cables, flex cable. The flex cable there is supposed to be aligned this side, so let me do all this. Don't worry, you guys will learn to do this very soon. I promise you, I'm going to put you through this. If you are really interested, always follow up on this channel. You shall get to know everything wrong. Let me plug it. Man, everything is done. So let's quickly test this. gonna hear the buzz. It's gonna buzz to show that this current has been imputed to it. Now this is the positive. Don't make that mistake. To avoid short circuiting your device eventually, and everything you've done be in vain. You hear that buzz from the inverter. Now let's check. You know, the thing is, it won't work because the battery is low. I told you from initial, if you could remember. But it's going to show you the red light showing that there's low battery, but the yellow light show that the inverter is on. And you know, this one is for inverter mains. I'll give you the whole descriptions, but you can see everything on the board yourself. Oh, it seems. Oh, sorry. Since the battery test is below threshold, please bear with me. Kindly bear with me. But I mean, it's legit. It really works. We'll test it for you in the next video after we've explained to you how the configuration of the boards. Thank you, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like if you like the video, and because just unlike it if you don't even like the video. But stay tuned to our YouTube channel if you really want to know how this really works and you really want to get your own inverter built yourself from home. Thank you.